Uh, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Did you just hiccup?
No. Okay, yes, I did.
That's cute. Wait! Why do they just do it too?
Oh no, it's contagious.
Don't say that!
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
Quick, drink water upside down.
I'm not doing that. That's how accidents happened.
Hold your breath. This is hopeless.
What if we scare each other?
Don't you?
Ooh.
Aw. Hey, my hiccup stopped.
Wait, really? My hiccup's gone too.
See? Science.
That was not science. Oh no.
I give up.